Hello YouTube, so on today's video I'm going to go ahead and change the oil, and I'm also going to be replacing the headlights. I went ahead and bought some LED. You know how much I love those LED light bulbs, so I'm going to change those. So stay tuned guys, and here we go.
Dirty dudes!
So you do have to remove this plastic. It does have two plastic clips, one right here and one right here. I think there's one missing here. I'm not sure about that, but you do have to remove this so you could actually get to the tabs that hold the headlight. I'll show you those tabs in a minute. So let's keep this video going. They do sell some tools that move these. It's a little plastic little thing, and then you just put it here and that. I usually just use a screwdriver, or sometimes even use some pliers, but you do damage them. That's how I actually damage these, so I suggest you buy them. You could buy them super cheap. So let's get this video going. Alright guys, so I already changed them. It's an easy, quick little installation. All you have to do is remove these little plastic clips. You pull them up, as you can see. I actually had it and bought these new because on the driver's side they broke because they are super brittle. And again, you guys already seen so many videos of me installing lights. I'm gonna go ahead and do everything step by step. A quick little plug and play. Like I said, you remove these little plastic clips, you put them up, and there's a connection right here. And that's about it. It only has one connection. And light bulbs, you connect them like any other light bulb. I'm just waiting the engine to cool off a little bit so I could actually change the oil. Alright guys, so the oil I'm going to be using is the Mobil 1 high mileage full synthetic. It's going to be the 5W30. And the oil filter is going to be the TG3387A. Alright, so the oil change is done. I'm not going to go again through the whole process. I already showed you guys how to change the oil. The weird thing is about this car is that the oil filter is actually in the top. So to get to it, I actually went through under the hood. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the drain plug. So your drain plug is going to be right here. It's messy. It's messy. Dispose of your oils and fluids, toxic waste properly, guys. Right now I'm gonna actually pour the old oil into this container, and so I decided to spray paint the wheels. I already went ahead and cleaned it with some acetone. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with some Rust-Oleum primer, and then I'm gonna use some wheel paint and some wheel clear coat to finish off these wheels. I already went ahead and did the rest. This is going to be the last wheel. Hopefully the sun doesn't go down on me. So let's keep this video going, guys. Before the sun, I was also going to mention I didn't really use the masking tape because I am going to replace these tires. So I'm not going to go through that hassle and stuff like that. And I might replace the wheels as well. So I'm not really going to go into a detailed paint job. I just wanted to look clean for a couple of months before I actually replace the wheels and tires. So let's get to it. I did forget to remove it. I'm gonna probably, I don't know if I'm gonna stick with this chrome or just the little emblem. Again, guys, I'm not a professional painter, so I'm doing this just like I said, just so it can look a little better compared to the how it looked before with the red. Because like I said, I bought this wheel at the junkyard, and it had some red paint, so I had to take this off. All right, so I already gave it a few coats of that primer. Now I'm gonna use that wheel spray paint, and after that I'm gonna do the clear coat. Alright, so after some few coats from that black, I'm going to use the gloss clear coat for the last step. Like I said, I'm not a professional painter. I've never actually done this before. I've seen tutorials on it. I know people actually wet sand it, like if they're painting a car. I never painted a car either, but I've seen them. They sand it down after the primer, and then they sand it again. They wet sand it on the paint, and then they throw the gloss, and after the gloss they do another wet sanding. And I might do it, I don't know. Like I said, it's just a temporary solution for those painted wheels, so maybe, I don't know. Well, there you go, guys. Finally done. So you guys be the judge. Let's see how they came out. Right now, take some better pictures. I was gonna ask you guys, what do you guys think about the hubcap? Should I paint it black? Should I just paint around it and keep the emblem silver or chrome? What do you guys think? Should I just take it off? Let me know what you guys think. Well, there you go, guys. Hopefully you like this video. Like always, guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.